China's latest aviation marvel, the C929 aircraft, represents a bold step forward in the country's quest to dominate the skies both technologically and strategically. Unlike traditional fighter jets, the C929 blends the characteristics of a long-range airliner and a next-generation stealth aircraft, showcasing China's ambition to challenge Western aviation giants like Boeing and Airbus while integrating advanced military applications. With an impressive range of nearly 12,000 kilometers, this new aircraft demonstrates the country's growing capability in developing large, efficient, and versatile aircraft designed for both commercial and defense purposes. Developed jointly by China's COMAC, Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, and Russia's United Aircraft Corporation, AC, the C929 project began as a commercial wide-body jet meant to rival the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A350. However, China's aerospace engineers have gradually integrated advanced technology and dual-use systems, turning it into a multi-role platform capable of supporting both civilian and military missions. The 12,000-kilometer range gives it global reach, enabling long-duration flights across continents without refueling. For military use, this makes it ideal for surveillance, troop transport, or even conversion into an airborne command center, significantly boosting China's strategic air capabilities. The C929's airframe design uses a combination of lightweight composite materials and titanium alloys to reduce weight and increase fuel efficiency. It is powered by newly developed high-bypass turbofan engines that deliver remarkable thrust while maintaining low fuel consumption and noise levels. This allows the aircraft to achieve high-speed cruising performance comparable to Western counterparts while keeping operational costs lower. Engineers have also prioritized stealth features in the design: smoother surfaces, radar-absorbing coatings, and reduced infrared signatures, which could allow the C929 to operate in contested airspace with minimal detection risk. Inside the cockpit, China has incorporated state-of-the-art avionics, fly-by-wire control systems, and artificial intelligence assistance, providing pilots with enhanced situational awareness and automated flight management. The glass cockpit features large multifunction displays, touch-screen controls, and digital flight interfaces designed to meet both civil aviation standards and military requirements. This dual nature of design ensures that the aircraft can easily be adapted for missions such as reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or strategic logistics support. From a geopolitical perspective, the C929 also symbolizes China's determination to reduce dependence on Western aviation technology. For decades, the global airliner market has been dominated by Boeing and Airbus, but China's entry into the wide-body segment with the C929 marks a significant shift. By integrating its own technologies and supply chains, China aims to establish autonomy in the aerospace sector while expanding exports to friendly nations under the Belt and Road Initiative. If successful, the C929 could become a major export product, helping countries modernize their air fleets without relying on Western suppliers. In terms of passenger capacity, the C929 is expected to seat between 250 to 320 passengers, depending on configuration. The cabin will feature advanced climate control, noise reduction, and high-speed connectivity, aiming to provide passengers with world-class comfort. However, in its military variant, the same spacious fuselage can be reconfigured to carry cargo, personnel, or specialized equipment. The flexibility of its design allows China to use the C929 for humanitarian missions, air refueling, or intelligence operations, an example of how dual-use technology can enhance both civilian and defense applications. The aircraft's 12,000-kilometer range not only enables transcontinental commercial routes but also strengthens China's military projection capabilities. It can connect Beijing to New York, London, or Sydney without refueling, giving China an unprecedented level of global reach. For military planners, this means the potential to deploy troops or equipment across long distances quickly, support overseas operations, or conduct long-range reconnaissance missions. Such range, combined with modern stealth and communication systems, positions the C929 as a potential game-changer and global aviation strategy. Overall, China's C929 represents more than just an aircraft. It's a symbol of the nation's technological progress, industrial independence, and strategic vision for the future. With its 12,000-kilometer range, hybrid design philosophy, and advanced engineering, the C929 demonstrates how far China has come in bridging the gap between Eastern innovation and Western aerospace dominance. Whether serving passengers on intercontinental routes or supporting the Chinese military and strategic missions, this aircraft is poised to become one of the most significant developments in 21st century aviation. Description tags: C929 aircraft, China C929, Chinese fighter jet, new Chinese aircraft 2026, C929 12,000 kilometers range, COMAC C929, Chinese stealth aircraft, C929 vs Boeing 787, next generation aircraft, China Aerospace Power, C929 jet engine, C929 military version, China Aviation Technology, long-range aircraft, China 2026 Aviation.